Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Let your body relax, releasing any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, and your chest. Feel the surface beneath you supporting you fully. And light entering through the top of your head. This light flows down your body, bringing peace and clarity. It moves through your neck, your shoulders, your arms, and all the way down to your toes. This light connects you to your inner truth. As you sit with this light, allow yourself to feel safe and open. You are here for a reason, and this time is for you. Take a moment to simply be present with your breath. Reconnecting with your purpose is about returning to the core of who you are. Often, life's noise and expectations pull us away from what truly matters to us. But the truth is, your purpose has always been within you. It's not something to find, but to rediscover. Purpose doesn't have to be tied to a grand achievement. It's about living in alignment with your values and doing what feels meaningful to you. When you feel fulfilled, even in the smallest moments, you're living your purpose. Take a moment to reflect. What are the moments in your life where you felt most alive, most joyful? Now let's take a journey inward. With your eyes still closed, imagine yourself in a place where you feel completely at ease. In this space, you see a glowing path ahead. As you step onto this path, you begin to feel a deep sense of clarity and direction. You feel lighter, as if every step is taking you closer to your true self. As you walk, you come across a version of yourself that feels completely aligned and fulfilled. This version of you is smiling, radiating joy and confidence. Take a moment to observe. What are you doing? What does your life look like? Spend a few moments connecting with this version of you. What do they want you to know about your purpose? When you're ready, thank them for their guidance and slowly make your way back to the present moment. Repeat these affirmations silently or out loud, whichever feels right for you in this moment. I trust the process of discovering my purpose. I am aligned with what brings me joy and fulfillment. I allow myself to dream freely and without limits. My purpose is already within me, waiting to unfold. Every step I take brings me closer to my truth. Take a moment now to reflect on what you're grateful for right now. It could be something big or small. Whatever comes to mind first is perfect. As you think of these things, say silently or out loud, thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel the warmth of gratitude filling your heart and expanding outwards. Now let's take a moment to reflect through journaling prompts. What moments in my life have made me feel most alive? What activities or people bring me the greatest joy? If I could remove all limitations, what would I spend my time doing? How can I bring more of what lights me up into my daily life? What is one small step I can take today to align with my purpose? Thank you for spending this time reconnecting with your purpose. This is just the beginning of your journey. Your purpose is unique to you, and every step you take is meaningful. You should be proud of yourself for showing up for yourself today. Take this energy with you as you move through your day or night. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the present moment, carrying the clarity and peace you've created here.